Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy September 9th. Tomorrow CPI. Another still day. Come on. YouTube, what are you doing on me? Shit. Phone is not working on me right now. Trying to just get stuff situated for the old stream. I already see my boy in here. What is up? Work hard, the man. Good morning, brother. How we doing, King? Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Just setting this off little thing here. We're ready to go. Feeling healthy, feeling rejuvenated. Woo! Good morning, Caesar. Welcome in, King Man. King Caesar. Let's see. How we feeling, y'all? Yo, I am stoked. We got 800 bucks in the accounts. It's more than enough. We're going to turn it up. Worst case scenario, I have a plan moving forward if we have to reset, but I am not going to announce it until that matters. Right now, we still got these accounts, and we're going to continue to roll it up. Yesterday was a weird price action, stalling out at Friday's drop price, never getting there. Kind of a little bit bearish today, honestly. Kind of feeling a little bit bearish. Maybe we go grab that top. Great energy today. All we need, Tyler. This will be your day. I'm calling it. My man work hard. He feels it. He's ready. What's up, Jared? Good morning, dude. Best of luck, man. You got this. Means a lot, brother. We've all got this. There's our man, our myth, our fucking moderator, Saucy Man. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, everybody. Market open. Holy. Opening print price at the 835s. Ripping up to the 60s to start. Holy. Are we finally going to rip up through here with all-time highs? Are we going to hold this Friday drop price and keep pushing down? What are you thinking? Market wants to get up there, it seems like. No news today. Tomorrow, CPI. Thursday's more CPI. Golly, that candle higher than Ty after a trim shift. Gee, we got a big ass wick too on it. Crazy filling there. Pushed all the way up to this highs at the 858s and then selling off. What a rejection candle. What a rejection candle. Yo, Max, welcome in, King Man. Welcome in. We got all the way up to the 60s off that push. Rejected all the way back down to, I mean, what? We opened at the 34s, closed at the 27s. Really interesting reaction to see the print this morning. I'm overall looking for the downside, I think, after we're rejecting these highs all these times. We do have a flat price print at the 887s. I can imagine us going to rip through and then maybe looking down after that. I think that'd be best case scenario if we got to push up to the 887s, that Friday drop price, previous day high. What it do? What it do, Max? Yeah. I think that'd be nice if we can go take off overnight high and previous day high. Is this Asia? Or yeah, this is London high and previous day high, and then maybe sweep back down. It's kind of what I'd be liking. Good morning, Pat. The man, the muscles. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, King. How we feeling, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Happy September 9th. The vibes are vibing. Energy's high. Now we just got to make some money. The market's moving. Opening print price being at the 35s at VWAP. We pushed up to the 60s, got rejected. Buyers are trying to reclaim it. We're going to be patient right here. Crazy chop today, I think. I agree, Max. We're not really expecting too much of anything too wild. Tomorrow's going to be CPI. That is mostly what we're waiting for. Our real goal here, y'all, is to just try to get these accounts off of zero. They're at 800 right now. The closer we can get to, like, back to that 2,000. Ooh. Light got all weird there. Closer we can get back to that 2 grand. Light's still being weird. The better, because Friday is going to be volatility. You know what I mean? Thursday, actually, I think Thursday is going to be the really big day. but I just want to have some accounts ready for that. So we're not looking for anything too crazy today. I think we're going to be choppy. It's kind of what I'm thinking personally. Rewatched the stream last night. Sorry for a rough day, bro, but time to stay locked in and make some money. Hey, Pat. I love that you supported, bro. Rewatched the stream. It's okay, King. We're fine. Mentality's right. Practice action was shitty yesterday. It was, and it was my fault for participating. I mean, obviously, it would have been nice to have it just push up to those that Friday that closed to get our money, but I'm not upset about it. We did really well with these accounts. They're not dead yet. We're going to do our very best to get them off of 0. Worst case scenario, I can't do it. I have a plan for what we're going to do. I don't want to announce it yet until it matters, because right now we're still holding these fundeds. We're still 40% of the way to getting a live account, 3 more payouts. So let's dial it in, get these accounts off 800. We still have plenty of action. Good to have a plan. No emotions. No emotions, Dave. That's what's up, man. We're here. We're trading. We never get to know where the market's going. We get to just put some trades on, manage our risk, and hopefully make some money. Settle with whatever happens. Right now, I really want to see these flat prices rip. This flat price at this Friday. Look at the hourly candles. This was Friday's self drop. Yesterday, we got there and held the top. Today, our overnight London price is the same top. Don't talk about blowing it. You got this, Tyler. Hell yeah, Jared. The word that shall not be named. EMA is trying to get up through VWAP here. We got that big rejection at the 60s. I'm overall feeling a little bit bullish towards this flat price, but we haven't been able to get through it, so we'll see. We'll see. It's kind of what I'm targeting right now, though. Opening print candle was a really interesting candle to push up to the 60s and then immediately reject to actually close bearish. Was quite interesting on that candle. So we're going to be a little bit patient, not rushing into anything too wild. Just be happy to be here. Opportunity to make some money. I think it will drop really slowly. I like that. I like that, Max. So you're bearish too. Do you think we go run this buy side first, this flat price at these 900s where we sold from Friday, or we just continue down? Slow down trend. I like that. I'll tell you what, if we can't hold this VWAP, I'm agreeing with you. Stop above 70 makes sense. It does, actually. Even safer, stop above like 76. I like that. Candle got down to opening print bottom. These lows right now are being held. Market just opened 6 minutes ago. No reason to rush anything. Let's be patient. Make some moolah. Kind of want to see the OHLC 10 a.m. If not, just going to wait till the news comes in at the end of the week. Ryan, let me know. What is the OHLC? I feel like I'm brain tooting that. Kind of want to see the candle overnight. I don't know what you mean, but being patient is never a bad idea, Ryan. I like that. I'm really mostly trying to get these accounts to get a little bit bigger of a buffer than this 800 open high low close. Got you. Yeah, I agree. That's a safe plan. I'm also, Wani knows I fuck with that. Hell yeah, Juan. I'm also kind of more anticipating waiting for the end of the week, y'all. Like Ryan just stated, the price action at least tomorrow with CPI and Thursday are going to be a lot prettier than at least yesterday and what I'm expecting today to be. I'm kind of just expecting these days to kind of be setting it up. Short 52. Our man's is short the 52. I like that. Oh, no, he's asking about it. I wouldn't mind that, Max. I think that's a pretty safe short. My only fear about it is this buy side, this flat price at the 83s, 84s. I am short. Hell yeah, Max. Let's go. Let's get this to break down. Don't want to see VWAP holding. Good morning, IRZRS. Welcome back, King Man. He's the only one that has not gotten his money from the giveaway yet. We haven't been able to. He's in Germany, so it's been tough, but we're trying. Hopefully get him some crypto or something. Pretty bullish bias overall, Ryan is. Okay. I mean, I agree that the liquidity that I think would be at least be hunting is these 86s, this flat price. From that sweep, I'm not sure. How's your day? It's going great, IRZRS. We're doing great. Feeling healthy, feeling happy. Obviously, the accounts are in critical condition, but we have what we need to get them out. So, never a bad thing. The mindsets are in the right place. How about you? How you doing? Good morning, TLR. Welcome in, King. Market's been open for 8 minutes. Very interesting price action. Us holding VWAP, opening print candle at the 35s, push to the 60s, and from here we've just been hanging out. Good mindset. I like that, IRZRS. Welcome in, Kings and Queens. Hell yeah, Pat. That's the man right there. Right now, not a lot going on. We want to be patient. Drop the likes for Ty. Pat, you're the man. Chop Suey. Yeah, Elijah, we're not going anywhere. Right now, we're holding VWAP. That opening print candle is pretty interesting, but we've just gone sideways. What's up, Sky? Welcome in, King. How we doing? How we feeling, y'all? I think if we do start getting some sell side, I mean, obviously we have some options to come and take, but man, this flat price at these 80s is looking interesting. Made 1K, then it retraced. My man was in there. So you're long? You're looking for the long, Elijah? You're expecting this flat price up here at the 80s to break, this 900 hold number roughly. It's kind of what I'm anticipating. If we keep holding this VWAP, I think we could. But this is pretty still price action right now. Yeah, Elijah's looking bullish. I like that. I think this flat price at the 85 is potential targets if we continue to hold VWAP. Or even really a dip into like down here. I'd still like that. I think we're going to be pretty choppy day though, overall. If 800 holds, I like that. That's good trading right there, Elijah. If the 800 holds, he's going to be targeting the 900s. I think that's a safe trade, brother. Let's go, y'all. See what we got right now, Nazi. Getting now down to the opening print low price. 85s, or the 25s, getting through there. I'm out 1100 by 5. Let's go, Max. Come on, King. Money. Good trade, sir. I fuck with that. Let's hopefully she doesn't keep selling down. Quick 1-to-1. That's it right there, sir. Don't need more. Don't need less. Just follow the plan. I fuck with that. Good shit, man. Holding VWAP. Still, market isn't really going anywhere. No reason to rush into anything. The whole point of today, guys, is just to hit a base hit. Try to get that winning day. Try to just keep your account balance healthy. Tomorrow and Thursday is really where we're going to get the opportunity. Of course, Max. Good shit, bro. Good trading. Tomorrow and Thursday is really where the opportunity is going to be. So, you know, don't blow today, basically. Don't get ruined today. We only have 800, so my goal for the day is just to make a little bit of the dineros. Try to get off this 800. Give ourselves a chance to fight for tomorrow and Thursday. Good morning, Shiro. Welcome in, brother. Welcome back, King. 820s now, selling through the bottom of the range. We got 4 minutes for our first 15 minutes. It still see the 730 getting tickled. You think 730? It still see the 730 getting tickled, huh? You think we go take out the 730s? Or you mean 830? No, 830 is where we're at. You must be 730. I was crazy. A little sell down to the 730s would be a nice move. 4-hour candle low without a wick. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. The way that we've been acting after that Friday massive drop candle, and then we slowly trickled back up to the front, found some more rejection, trickled back up there, and are still rejecting. Overall, I'm pretty bearish on the day, but we'll see. There's obviously that flat price liquidity up there at the 86s that are going to be, or a little bit attractive. But right now, choppy day overall. Exactly at opening print price at the 30s right now. Patience, everybody. Every 4-hour candle has a bottom and a top wick, or it will come back to make a wick. Yeah, I fuck with that, Max. Let's take a gander real quick at the 4-hour. Just see what you're talking about. Oh. So we already did wick down to the 800s. That's interesting. We already did wick down here. Interesting. Peanut butter chocolate flavor. All right, back to our 1 minute here. What's up, William? Welcome in, King. Dangerous. Welcome in, boy. Happy to have you back. Happy to have you back. Right now, the market's not going anywhere, y'all. Patience is going to be the way. You see that 7:30, 4-hour candle? All right, now I got to go back, Max. Now I actually got to go back. Down here with the no wicks. Down here with the no wicks. Then we exploded from there. And then failed at the highs. Rejected. Held EMA. Failed at the highs again. Really interesting price action overall. Same thing, yeah, it's looking light on both sides. Yeah, dangerous. I think today is going to be a pretty just sideways, choppy day. Tomorrow's the big opportunity. Tomorrow and Thursday are the big opportunities. Tomorrow CPI. Thursday is going to be jolts. Jolts. And then more CPI Thursday as well. And then Friday is Michigan. So I think overall, the market's just going to be kind of stale, calm. Like yesterday was pretty boring, not really the best price action. I think today's going to be a lot of the same, and then setting up for the week to be pretty volatile tomorrow and Thursday. So the real goal for us all, y'all, not be crazy, not blow up our accounts, keep our shit ready so that tomorrow we can actually execute when the market's giving. Like, think about this. Look at the points here, all right? High a day on the New York session was the 900s, and we got down to the 500s, a 400-point move in Friday. And yesterday we only offered, what did we offer? 760, 120. Literally 70, like almost 75% the size of this move. So way harder pricing. Here we go. Starting to hold the VWAP finally. Top of the 15-minute range is going to be right over here. Let's get our box drawn. I think we could still be targeting those 900s. Don't want to get chopped up because, again, I don't expect today to be too crazy in terms of range extension. Here's our first 15-minute range. Look how choppy, guys. Our first 15-minute range is a sideways. What is this? 57s to the 40-point range around VWAP. Nothing to be really messing with. Yeah, that one, same thing. Not really looking for a trade unless we break the previous day high at the 890s or previous day close 800s. I like that discipline, Shiro. I'm kind of in the same mindset. Maybe targeting these 900s to just see if these flat price break. It's the London overnight high, previous day high, Friday sell-off drop. I imagine we could go trade towards that, but I'm not really liking much. Yeah, not liking it. Pat agrees. Hey, guys, sometimes the best trades are no trades. We don't usually flex that muscle too much here, but we don't really need to be doing anything. Tomorrow's going to be the big, tomorrow and Thursday, not just tomorrow, but tomorrow and Thursday, the market is going to be really giving. So yeah, no trade day for me. Hope you all get it though. Hell yeah, Jared. That's that discipline, bro. I like it. Like I said, not targeting a lot today, y'all. Maybe just a little bit to try to get off this 800 flat number, but 800 is also enough that we could work with tomorrow. So we'll see. 39 people hanging out. Y'all are amazing. If you hit that like button, it means the most. Streams have been crushing with likes lately, so really genuinely thank you guys. Let's see what we can do. Right now we're not getting a lot of opportunity. It's good practice for the discipline and the patience to just be watching the markets, not feeling the need to participate. Nothing's happening here. Like, look at this chop city zone around VWAP. This is exactly at opening print price as well. Like, just genuinely nothing going on. Chop day. Yes, indeed, Sky. It is indeed a choppy day, King. We're not looking for a whole lot. Just out of curiosity, because we don't usually, and today we have the calmness to do it. Let's go check out like gold or something real quick. Is this all time on this? Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh. This is the daily chart on the gold. Holy shit. Oh my god. Did not know that. Look at the strength this has been displaying lately. This is gold. Wow. Good morning, Gani. Welcome back, King. All right. So now we've seen it. Look at the daily on the NASDAQ. Also feels pretty bullish here. I'm not going to lie about it. The daily looks fairly bullish here. Look at the sell volume try to hold us down, but price isn't able to get restricted here. Like this one was big. Big sell volume, price held. I am very bullish, I think, for tomorrow and Thursday overall. I think overall we are very bullish, you guys. Gold moves so clean. Caesar, you are not the first person to say that, sir. A lot of people agree. I haven't messed with it yet, but maybe soon we can dabble a little bit. All right, we're finally starting to reject the VWAP. Still within our 15-minute range, y'all. Nothing to do here. What is this candle? 45, so that's the last one. Look at our range. Ewy. Nothing to do. Took 5R gold pre-opening. I'm done trading today. Hope you can catch some. Hey, Al. Good trading, man. Way to be patient and trade what actually is moving right now. I'm trimming 1 mini. All right, Max, I like that. You're in profit here. Good trading, sir. Hopefully we can keep pushing through the bottom of this range. I like that we're below VWAP for you. NQ will make you rich, but gold will make you wealthy. 1. Dropping the insight. You have been teasing gold for a little while. I haven't dabbled yet, boys, but when we get there, whew, she looks like she just moved pretty clean, for straight. Tyler, are you actually trading full time? Just wondering. Shiro, great question, man. I am not. I have a full-time job as well, but there's been discussions and maybe alternating that. I obviously had a really good week, or last couple weeks. Officially got my savings to a healthy number where I'm debating it, Shiro. Friday's stream has 400 views, Ty. The most the stream has had. Saucy, dropping in the insight. You guys are incredible for that. Genuinely, from the bottom, thank you so much. That means the most. The community that we're building here feels fucking dynamite strong. We feel like we're just creating something that's really helping everybody, and it's starting to gain its own strength, so it means the most. I'm out. Hey, Max with another fat trade, shorting the easy range right now. Let's go, Max. Good trading, dude. Saucy. Come on, 3,900 by 5. Max crushing it right now. GBT, keep the job. If anything, go part-time. Less stress to make money. Keep killing it. GPT, I like that, bro. Not a bad, it's a W mindset. There's no reason to be too risky. I'm done for the day. Max, great trading, bro. Hope you actually lock out. Hopefully we push through the bottom of this range as well. I like the discipline to get out, though, because we could just keep chopping here. See you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your day, King. Good trading. Hopefully tomorrow we can get some real volatility, make some big dinero. I like that, though, GPT. All right, Max, we are getting through the bottom of this range now into the 800 whole numbers. Let's see if this can hold. Elijah said he was kind of interested in the longs. If we can get a hold here at these 800s. It's really not a lot going on here, though, y'all. Good, brother. Being patient. I like that, Pat. 730s. I'm calling it right now. 730s, bro. It would be a fatty of a trade, too. Getting through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Giving up VWAP officially. This is feeling pretty downside. I like it. Sell volume picking up as we're ripping through the range. I would maybe take a short if we can get back. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a big fan, to be honest. No reason to risk anything too crazy here. Market's not giving a whole lot. Tomorrow's the real opportunity. These 809s could be enough of a bottom. Work's a little busy, but the day is flying by. So is positive sauce. A little bit of busy isn't bad. Keeps everybody just, you know, keep the mind doing stuff. If we took a short here to 25, stops would be at the 50s for me. No, 40s. Ugh. Wouldn't mind it, I guess. A little bit above. Brr. Just got the little bit of nausea right there. A little bit of fasting nausea. I like it. I think we're going to give a go at this. Choppiness here. Try to take a short at the bottom of the range. 30 short looks decent. Back to the VWAP, I agree, Pat. I don't mind that at all. That'd be a stop around the 45s. 990 freaking contract sitting at 875. Whoa. Sitting at 875 for a long, huh? That's probably a short up there, honestly. I don't know. It's interesting. Appreciate the insight there, Shiro. What you doing for work, Saucy? Good question, Pat. That man's is the man's on the phone. 57 views right now. Wink to my guy. Yeah, I didn't know if we'd be able to hold the bottom of this 15-minute range or not. Obviously, through these 800s will be a carry through. I know we were borderline 700 subs too. If anybody here is watching and hasn't subscribed yet, join the family. Get the number to 700. We're doing it every day. Trying to make money. Tomorrow is going to be the big, actually not tomorrow, but Thursday as well. The end of the week is going to present the most opportunity. Into the 800s. I like it, y'all. I like the discipline that we're all showing today. No reason to be taking anything crazy. Obviously, our boy Max crushed having those nice shorts, but I like it. We're just looking. We're hanging out. Letting the price do what it's got to do. Overall, I'm quite bullish with this print. The way that we're acting here. Here come the 800s. Let's see if we can hold. Big spot for the buyers. Excuse me. Big spot for the buyers here at these 800s. Obviously, overnight low down at the 790s. Also aligns with yesterday's range. My title is Technical Sales Administrator. I process sales and orders and send quotes to our customers. Our man's is busy. I do some shipping and receiving as well. Some customer service over the phone. He's the guy on the phone. Here comes the bottom of the 15-minute range in the EMA again. Price wasn't able to continue through after that selling. Might see a return back to the VWAP here. Again, still more choppy. I'm in for buys. Nassim, he's in for the longs. Good luck, sir. I hope this holds and pushes for you. I don't mind it. I just can't. There's not a lot going on here. Might just be a no trade day for us all. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe the market starts moving a little bit better here around 10 o'clock. Holding the 800 whole number is pretty interesting here. We're holding the 800 right there. It's quite interesting. Nice, bro. I just hang out with Ty now, lol. What a job, Pat. I fuck with that. That is the dream job, just to come on here and hang out with you guys every day. Nothing else. No more, no less. Yeah, it's ping-ponging. Yeah, she's ping-ponging, Elijah. We did hold the 800s, but right now we're just kind of chilling. Oh, yeah, buddy. Part of the schedule, no doubt. Maybe along towards the bottom of this 15-minute range. This previous low. This previous low. Can maybe find some support here if we get a retickle. A little bit of a retickle. Back to the VWAP. Here come the 30s. Here come the VWAP again. Back inside of the 15-minute range. Popped right back to VWAP. It did, Pat. That was a 30 short you might have liked. Me personally, I think it's a little bit risky. But I think our trade we're going to take here. Do I want a try of this range bottom? I don't mind it. I just don't think it's going to be super strong. Kind of want to trek along at the bottom of this range, but the fact that we're compressed below VWAP isn't super exciting for me. I think we could keep pushing. We're in. We're risking pretty much the bottom of the day. Wanting to see if this EMA can hold. Don't really want to see the sellers get back through the bottom of the 15-minute range. We'll see here, y'all. Not my favorite, but we'll see. Already got through the bottom of the range. That's not really what I was hoping to see there. If the buyers can't reclaim back up here, then this trade might not be super looking good for us. I'll zoom in a little bit so y'all can see better. Got to hold this EMA. Don't really want to see the sellers get this back through the bottom of this range. I want to see the buyer hold this. Otherwise, that short continuation from the VWAP might have been the play. Looks like the shorts are loading back at the VWAP. I think we are in the wrong here, y'all. We are, in fact, in the wrong here, y'all. Oh, not good for us. We did. We took a short there, Stassi. Let's see if they can hold these 800s. Still interested in that. 831 entry, you're short. I like that IRZRS. Did we just get bottom ticked again, y'all? Not really. This is just choppy. Got my short in from the 200 EMA. Nice, Danny. Cut your losses, 2 stops to 250. Why would your stop not under the wicks? I'm still in. Nice job, Nassim. Volume just came in a little bit here. Back to the VWAP. This does support longs for me again here. This still supports longs for me here. Buying's trying. Kind of getting absorbed a little bit here at the VWAP. Gotta be patient. Big reaction from the sellers there, actually. Very big reaction from the sellers. Holy. Insane reaction from the sellers. Getting this down to the 785s. We're going to short this. Wanting to see this continue to the downside now. Stops are going to be up towards VWAP. My only fear of this trade is that this was the biggest sell volume candle of the day. So if we continue to get that to revert, we could be in trouble. But going to be patient here. Danny got her short. Hope that can hold in the seam. I got it. Re-entry short, 800 plus. My entry right now is at the 804s. Not my favorite entry. Got to keep seeing how the way this candle reacts. Feels like it's been the longest candle ever. I feel like it's been the longest candle ever. Our price is going to be a battle price. I think EMA is going to come up and end up being around where we're at. So it's going to be a little bit of a battle. Biggest sell volume candle of the day was right here. So this could be the low of the day. And it swept overnight low. Ooh, I didn't notice that. I did not notice that this candle also swept overnight low. So this really could be the bottom. This candle here. If we can't get back below this bottom, I might just close this trade. I want to see this keep reaching down here. We swept it again. Don't want to see the buyers able to hold this. Want to see sellers keep taking this down a little bit. Could be the bottom of the day with that sell print candle there. Again, we're not expecting too much of a range today in general, so. Back in for the longs. Nassim wants the longs right here. Interesting. It very much could hold. Like I said, that was the biggest sell volume candle of the day. If we can't get back above there, We could keep ripping down here. Look at the wicks. Buying is trying to absorb. Buying wants to absorb here. This could be the low of the day. If buying shows back up, I like the rejection at the VWAP overall. We get a closure below this low at the 780s. I'm going to add a second contract. If we get a closure down here, it's looking strong. Don't want to see wicks. If this closes low, I will add a second contract into this position. Ooh, it's an interesting candle. Interesting candle to add on, but I think we have to. Well, I'm going to do it. Leaving our entry at this break even, or at this EMA. Could easily still get wronged here. Want to see the price keep continuing in the downside. Want to see the sellers loading up. I like the close. I like the rejection of the EMA. Gonna put break even on as soon as we can. Can't put it on yet, but as soon as we can, we will. No, I don't like the strength out of the buyers here. This candle with the biggest sell volume could still be the low of the day here. Wanting to see price can keep and compress below this EMA. This is where we're just tapping into here now. Want to see the seller start moving this back. One out of three. We almost just got ricked out of there. Wow. Wow. Healthy short. 1,000 by 3 XFAs. Good job, IRZRS. After 1 month without it, feels great. Without trading, feels great. Dude, good trading. Way to take a break and come back. Yeah, so like I said, this big sell volume candle ended up being low of the day. We end up holding it. Pretty gross. Pretty caca gross there. Lost another 200 on that. I don't believe this buying. Let me just say it like that. That was the biggest buy sell volume candle of the day, though. That really could be low. Could be low of the day. It really, truly, it could be low of day here. Unless we're just complete bottom tick food again. How can you add volume on your chart for Topstep tie? It is right here. So click on your minute or whatever one you want to add it to, Pat. Up here in the indicators, bud. And then I just added, I think it's just straight up volume. Volume profile. Is that what I have? No, it's not. Right here. Just this volume one, bud. Holding down to these lows. Looking like we're going to push to the upside now after tapping back into that. I think we're going to go back up to the VWAP here. Of course, Pat. No worries, brother. It's 10 a.m. Bottom here, I think, is potentially low a day. I don't think we get our fill here, but this is potentially our last trade of these accounts, except price is just going to leave without us. Oh, God. Looking to get a fill at these 810s for the long. This, I think, is the lowest price, lowest candle of the day here. Biggest sell volume candles. What we're trying to get a fill back around these lows here at the 810s. I'm done for the day. May 2:30. Great trading, Danny. Ain't took no trades today, not gonna lie. No volume on the market. For sure, we'll be looking at the PM session, see if I find some. Hell yeah, work hard. I think tomorrow and Thursday with the CPI and JOLTS is gonna be the most volatile, most action. We're still hunting a fill here, y'all. We're still hunting a fill at the 812s. Could very much be our last trade of these accounts. Can we get a fill, please, Nazi? We're below you barely. No, you're going to go rip up? Cool, 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 cool. I'm still in. Up 1,300 my XFA. Let's go, Nassim. Everybody's eating today. I love it. Your boy down 500. But you guys eating makes it all worth it. Back to the VWAP here at the 830s. Let's see the reaction. I'm wanting the longs. I wanted them back here, but we got left. I got a long at the 800. I'm going to try to hold for a hot minute. I like that, Timothy. I think we at least go see these 885s. Potentially that previous, the overnight high, the London high, and the previous day close. I think we could go find. Big wick 4-hour candle. Went long on the gold at the 3.681. Hell yeah, Sky. Could be going again longs. They tested the 4-hour. Sky, okay. Dang, the strength right now into the 840s. Have to leave early, but see you all tomorrow. Trade safely. Great trading, Danny. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we get the opportunity. Hope you have a good rest of your day. As always, appreciate you for being here. L, that's it. Yeah, hold to that high. 845's coming in here. Strength. Getting to the top of this range. We're going to be looking to participate on almost first EMA pullback here. Almost first EMA pullback we're going to be trying. Whoa, he's back. Welcome back, King. It's been a while. Sure has. Ugh, burping. Got the burps going. Price is trying these 850s. Currently finding no resistance. Obviously, these flat prices at these 50s where we're currently acting at. Maybe a little dip down to the VWAP could be nice for a fill. Was on vacay, huh? How has trading been last week? No worries, King. Last week, well, we took a second payout. I don't know if you saw that. So we took a second max payout. And then after that, I've had just pretty much a cooler down to 3. We're down to, we had 800 to start the day. Now we're down to 300. So these accounts they're on their last leg, but they're not dead. So we'll see what we can do with it. Pretty much got to bottom tick our next entry. Here we go. Give me this. Give me a fill here at the VWAP, NASDAQ. Don't tease. Looking for a fill. Still trying to get into this long. First EMA contact, what we're going to be looking to get in with. Passed. Fuck yeah, Ryan. Let's go. W's, dude. But my funded executions have been terrible recently. It's okay, King. Passing combines again. Going to be a pita. Going to be a piece of pita bread. Yeah, well, hopefully we don't have to do it, dude. But we're getting pretty close, so. Come on, give us a fill down here at these 31s, Nazi. Strength is looking up. Obviously targeting that previous day close around the 900s. Overnight high, that London high as well. 50% of the range is where we already respected and tapped into. Might be where we got to be looking for here for our fill. Come give me this EMA tap though. We're going to front run a little bit. 36. Can't really afford it too much, but we're going for it. Give me that. Give me all that. Good morning. Are you going to trade this price action? Pain in the ass. It is a pain in the ass. Yeah, I am currently trading this. We're either going to... Well, actually, let me... What do I have? 300. Pretty much this stop loss will be the end of our accounts, y'all. This might be our final trade of these accounts, or we get this to move back up to those 900s and get a chance. We're a little bit high, but I don't mind it. Here's the EMA play. Newbie, we're not looking for a lot of trading on this. Yeah, we're just playing this last little bit. Tomorrow is the real opportunity. So if you haven't taken any trades, no need to, bro. Tomorrow is going to be CPI. Thursday is going to be some more data and also jolts. And then Friday is Michigan sentiment. So overall, bro, if you're not, I was one and done after my setup looked great and didn't extend lower. 700 it is. A great trade, Newbie. That's all you need right there, King. Like I said, the rest of the week looks to be a lot more attractive, so leave that. Let's see what we get here. Kind of tricking the EMA, kind of just going sideways. Is our price protected at the 21s? That's the question here. Because, of course, it looks like we're going to find some resistance here. Is VWAP going to hold? If VWAP doesn't hold, we are officially... Potentially, I might as well just move this so we don't even have to worry about it. These are going to bust. This trade could bust our accounts right here. Wow, it did it. I think we just got a little bit lucky there, honestly. Back to the VWAP. It just doesn't feel very strong here. On the other side of the ZMA, does not feel very strong here. Gonna have to get some strength back to that price. Don't be shy, Naz. You're a good girl. He said it to her. He already told her. Don't be shy. Gotta hold this VWAP, y'all, or this is officially dead in the water. It's not. It's just not.
Order filled.
We did it. We did it, y'all. Tough. These accounts are no more. So tomorrow, oh, it sucks because tomorrow's gonna be the movement. But this is my plan moving forward, y'all. Y'all are the best. Still a W. You win. Nah, Elijah, we lost. Still dubs. Plan B. What's the plan B? He's excited to hear it. 2 max payouts. Great investment, though. No worries. Absolutely newbie. Pat's funny with the 150k's. 2150s. G set for next week, G. Yes, sir, Paul. We lost, y'all. And shoot. Sad, but we'll be back. We're going to load these accounts back up and take another, hopefully 5 payouts out of the next ones. Today we got 2 out of these, 40K, so 40 plus, 40 like 5. Dang, we're really rejecting off that strength. I'm not even upset. We got chopped up in a choppy day. This is pretty ugly price action. But okay. Y'all, I would love to lose after 40K Ws. I would love to lose after 40K W. It was a W. I can't complain. Pretty life-changing, honestly. Giving me a lot of stability. So, overall, no complaints. But moving forward, y'all, what I'm going to try to do, okay? It's crazy because right now we're trading the 150s. But I did some math. I did some stuff. I think the smartest play, just to continue to scale but without being over-leveraged, go down to 50Ks. And then open up 5 accounts with Lucid Trading. So they have pretty similar rules to Topstep. And then get a thing called Trade Syncer. So then that way we can trade technically 10 50K accounts pretty much the same way that we're trading them now. Nothing will really change. And I made that 40K payout with only trading 4 lots max, I think. So, I mean, we don't technically need the leverage of the 15. And instead of scaling by going that way, I can just scale by having 10 50K accounts. I think that's what we're going to do. 550 Topstep, 550K Lucid. We'll see. They're straight to funded, though. So all we got to really do is pass these 50Ks tomorrow. Or whenever I trade them. Pass the 50Ks. And then once we pass, we'll activate the Lucid. And then, damn, I left for a few days and you're already getting 40 plus viewers. Naveen, welcome back. We missed you, King. Yeah, the people in here have been amazing. We're starting to form our community up. Welcome back, though, brother. That's what I plan on doing with other prop firms. Hell yeah, Elijah. Don't need to go. Yes, technically scaling up per account is its own method, but I think it's actually more profitable to scale multiple accounts and stay with this. Keep risk limited, but scale multiple accounts. Smart. And yep, 200K is 2K days. And yep, $200 is 2K days. Hell yeah, GPT. Trading has been going hard for me the past few days. 300 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Elijah gets it. It's okay, Naveen. Us too, King. We just came off of our heater. Let's just take a gander at this. Our overall P&L is still up massive, but that's obviously what we took out of the accounts. So that's what we took out of the accounts times 5, y'all. Feels fucking awesome. Our profit factor slipped. Our trade win percentage slipped. These are still profitable, but our biggest days are our problems. Us too, Naveen, though. We've had a struggle last little bit here, as you can see, buddy. Tyler, 1NQ is very hard to trade on 50K accounts. Oh, Dave, he's the logic man. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, but it's also not super hard. Okay, it's not wrong, but it's not... It's not impossible. It's really no different. Finding that one, I do love, and I mean, I love having the $4,500 drawdown with the 3 contracts allotted, but at the same time, I just don't know if it's necessary. We'll see. Maybe, I mean, we'll see. I'm going to try these 10 accounts for a little while. If I feel like it's not working, Dave, then we'll go back to doing 5 150s on Topstep. Get that little bit of leverage back to slow down our drawdown, but overall, so it looks like we got down to the bottom of the 15-minute range before continuing again. We'll see, but that's what I think was going to be worth it. Blew my account yesterday, but got 2 new combines from the $100 I won from your giveaway. Hell yeah, TLR. That means the most, dude. Glad you're putting that money to use. Glad you're putting that money to use, brother. Naveen says, how about funding ticks? I will do the same. Hell yeah, IRS. Gotta get you that $100, brother. Only one that hasn't gotten his giveaway money yet because he's in a certain country that makes it tough, but we're still trying. Still gonna get you that money, bro. How about funding ticks? I don't know, Naveen. I haven't messed with them too much, But I like, the reason I was really excited about Lucid is because their rules are so similar to Topstep, and they have a straight to funded program. So then I think, and then I max XFAs, and then you max XFAs. Yes, sir, IRZRS. I like the rules of Lucid. I like that it's straight to funded, so I don't got to mess around. Once I get my Topstep 50Ks passed, I can just go purchase my Lucids, get the trade syncer going, and then we'll have 10 accounts at 50K. So technically, it's still less leverage than the 750. Like right now, I have 5 150, so I have 750K in funding. Even with 10 50s, I'm only at 500, but I don't think that matters because taking a payout out of each account, 3K out of each account is a 30K payout. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. What platform does Lucid use? That's the best part, Caesar. They're also a Project X, so it's going to be like just like this, except it'll say Lucid. It'll be some different accounts, but it'll be this same drop down. So it says Topstep X, but they use X too, so it will make the trade syncer really simple, really easy. It'll just all in all be good. When will you start these? Next Monday. Naveen, tomorrow, a new platform for the Synchro. Synchro? Is that the trade sync you use? I think the one that I know of is called Trade Syncer, I think. But tomorrow, Naveen, tomorrow we're going to try to pass the 50K combines. Friday, we're going to try to... No, tomorrow's Wednesday. So then Thursday, we're going to try to pass. So then if all things go well and we hit it right on the corner, then Friday we'll be trading the new 50K Topstep fundeds. And then Friday we'll be trading also the Lucid. So Friday, roughly, if everything goes perfectly, we'll be trading the 10 accounts. Otherwise, it might be next week, depending on when we can get funded. How do you connect all of them? The company is Lucid? Oh, right. Yeah, the company's called Lucid Trading. Here, I'll pull it up real quick. Try and type with one hand for some reason. Lucid Trading. This is who we're going to be giving our world to. You can just go straight to their... See, they have Lucid Test, so this is like a Combine account, or a Lucid Direct. This is straight to funded. And then I'll just buy these, so it's... Everything's super similar. This 1200 fixed DLL is kind of lame. That's like the biggest thing. So they might not be able to trade exactly the same if I start being weird, but... Oh, look at this. Max positions 4 minis, which is fine, because again, that's the most I ever traded on my other ones. Max accounts 5. Minimum days to payout is 8, so that's not the best, but... Reset fee, profit target, max, end of day. No reactivation fee. This could also be a play. Just do their 50Ks tomorrow as well, and then try to do the 50Ks tomorrow as well with the Topstep accounts, and then try to just pass them all together. Might be a play. But that is how we're going to try to scale them. And then how do you connect all of them? Juan, sorry, just seeing that. It's Trade Syncer, I believe. Let's just do some more search while we're all here together, so we can all learn. I think it's called Trade Sync. Oh, Trade Sync. Trade Syncer, yeah, right here. Best trade copier software. So that you can just get this, and then I'll have all your different CMI funded futures. But it'll be like that, except these will be Topstep, and then obviously the Lucid below. That way we have 10 accounts going. If we get a 3 to 4K payout out of each account, that'll be a 30 to 40K payout. God, it'd be sexy. That's going to be the goal. We'll see what happens. Overall, I feel like it's just less trading needed, but we'll see. How did you find out about Lucid? Twitter. I spent some time. I was watching someone post about them. And then I ended up just looking at their rules, and I liked it. They're really similar to Topstep's rules. So, and I think maybe with them as well, we might be able to get a discount code for us, so we could maybe start getting some cheaper stuff. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe if they let us sign up for affiliate. Let's take one more gander. That way we could all be getting the cheapest prices with them, maybe. But I don't know. I don't know. Oh, right here, affiliate. Lucid Trading Affiliate Program. Lucid offers an opportunity to earn 12% commission on evaluation and reset fees. Who can join? Anyone involved in the prop trading industry can sign up and join our affiliate waiting list. If you'd like to join the wait list, simply register through the trading dashboard. So yeah, maybe we'll do that. We'll register, see if we can get a code for us for Lucid, because I think Lucid will be 50% off in October when they release Trade-Evade. Hell yeah, Dave. Oh, I found out about Lucid by Dave, too. Dave's the one that told me about him. He recommended them, and then I ended up finding more information about them on Twitter once he recommended them. I get a little bit of research. Prop Shop Trader has a good promo going on. Hell yeah, Shiro. Check PTB. What is PTB? What is the PTB? Work hard. Yo, you mind me calling you Work Hard, bro? Or you want us to give you a name? You got a nickname you want me to call you? You're always in here being a G, so. NASDAQ down about just sideways right now from opening print price. Look at this, opening print overnight. It's where we're hanging out right now. Very stale day so far. Not a lot going on. Plutus. Plut, US trade base. Terrible price action, small L. Plut, TS trade base. What do you... Plut, T... Ah! Plut, US trade base. Plutus trade base. Plutus trade base. Top prop firm. Whoa. I don't know why that's so funny. You switching up props player? No, sir, Sob. We are going to be dedicated to Topstep. I'm just looking to add. So with TradeSyncer, we're going to be able to get multiple accounts going at the same time. Right now, I'm looking at ones that have similar rules to Topstep, which right now is Lucid. So that way we can be having, instead of just 5 accounts with Topstep, which these all, another reason I want Lucid is because they trade through Project X. So Project X, which I'm familiar with, similar rules, and then we can just scale accounts. But not looking to switch, Sob. Nah, just trying to add some more. Trying to scale up in a safe way. So this will be 10 accounts through our same price. But let's just check these out now. Get funded now. Huh? These guys are... Check out our plans. Thank you. So this is, they still have an instant funded live account, 7 minimum trading days, fastest payout without minimum, max time none, 95 splits, kind of nice, up to 50% leverage, pretty good. Trailing drawdown, trailing drawdown is tough. Trailing drawdown is hard. And that's just their straight to funded. What's their challenge account about? Minimum trading days 4, profit phase 8. Yeah, this looks a little complicated. Drawdown trailing. Yeah, I don't know about PTB. Work hard only because of their fact that they're drawdown. I still use Topstep and PTB. So far, so good. Took a 5K payout on it, and they actually paid. Hell yeah, work hard. Nah, they don't look bad. What was that? What was that 5K account? Yeah, they have baby accounts too, Saucy. Yeah, right here. Account size. You pay $80. They give you a $5,000 thing. I guess it didn't really specify the rules too much about it. It doesn't really specify too much about the 5K in terms of like the rules, but it looks like it's just like a micro offer for them. Something that they can get some people playing with. Go back to the instant. Check rules. It's a weird website. Yeah, they don't have any information on it once it's there. Never seen one that small. Tim, are you still in the trade? Why not go personal account? Just curious. Love that for you. Sob, great question, brother man. Damn, market is officially going to the downside here after rejecting that price. Crazy. Another big sell volume coming in. why am I not doing that sob is just because of, excuse me, risk and leverage, bro. So short from 815. Hell yeah, T9s. Yeah, that's a clean short. Bottom of the 15-minute range after getting pushed through here. If you got in at like the 29 candle or even like the 28 candle, they're really pretty short. Why not use other people's money? Wildflower, another good question. Prop better can scale more. Yeah, Gamer Boy is kind of hitting it on the head for that entry sob. IRZR, I'm done for the day. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Take care, King. See you later, Christian. But yeah, to answer your question, Sob, it's just leverage, bro, and risk. So I can scale way more with a prop firm without having to put my personal dollars up at risk. So basically, every dollar, when you're funded, every dollar you make is real, but every dollar you lose, actually, every dollar you lose is only like capped, right? So like if I go back to these, if I blow these accounts, I can only lose 160 bucks, 100, 300 bucks, whatever. I don't lose 20 grand. I only lose 300. But if you win, you actually make 20 grand. So it's just way better risk. We should all be focusing on props while we can. See you. Hell yeah, Christian. Just caught that short. Great trade, Wildflower. You caught this short from the bottom of the 50-minute range after we pressed back through. Really pretty. Hopefully we keep extending into the 760s now. Yeah, makes sense. Hell yeah. Really pretty trade, Wildflower and Timothy. You gotta drop about 50 points right now. Really, really pretty. One of our boys said he's targeting 730, so you guys could potentially target that. Selling's picking up here. Selling is picking up here. By the way, to your question, you can just call me Work. I'm gonna make it shorter right now. All right, hell yeah, Work. I like that. Ty, drop some trading discipline and mindset before stream ends. Drop some discipline and mindset, eh? Right now, look at this chart moving. Paying our shorts. Hell yeah. Before stream ends, you want some discipline, some mindset. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, this game is out of our control. I use volume profile to catch the sell at the high. Hell yeah, Elijah. This game's out of our control, Pat, right? We only get to see these little candles and make our best decision off of them. So all we can do is show up with the right mindset, show up consistently, and that's trading. Like at the end of the day, this price that we like, all these trades that we took today, this reach short, didn't hold, we went back up here. Previously, we'd stop at VWAP. Like there's so many options that you can never beat yourself up for not being right about this market. We're not here to predict it. We're here to just make some money, join the trend, keep our mindset in the right spot. And dude, it's like I want to highlight the fact that out of these accounts, right, we took $45,000 out of these accounts, and yet still, even despite that, I'm on a high, whatever. Friday, we still had one of our biggest days that we lost. Overall, it's not too bad considering I'm up still 10 grand in these accounts. So like it doesn't, macro doesn't matter, but it's just it's the fact that I took 36 trades, which is more than every other day. Usually we're single digits the whole time. Look at these, almost all single digits. The only other two that were double were here, and then another one, like, or was it 13 right here, barely profitable. But all the days that we over trade typically are our bigger days that we lose, right? So trading, tilt, even on your biggest highs, the only thing that can take you out of this game is just losing your mind, tilting, not feeling, not the discipline. Could you walk through the decision-making process for both of these trades, Tyler? I use for absolutely work hard. Which ones you talking about, brother? Into the 739s. I can't wait for Max to come back tomorrow and tell us he was dead ass correct. Which he was, except for the fact of the 49s. Tyler, preach. Hell yeah, Shiro. We just got to keep the mindset right at all times, y'all. It's really the only game here. Which trades were you talking about? Work hard. Great sharing. Thanks, Tyler. No problem. We'll appreciate thanks, Pat, for the asking for it there. But yeah, I mean, hey, y'all. We can't complain. We just bounced back stronger than ever. Do it again. The first one you took. For today, Let's just take a look at the trades we took today. I think we look. These aren't all from today, right? These aren't all from today, right? No, we took this loss here. Entered at the 822s and stopped at the 807s. 858 we got in. Or 958 we got in. Just came back to say I told you. W Max, bro. I literally said I can't wait for Max to come back and tell us he made it. There he is. Good trading, King. If you would have had that move, that's sexy. That's fucking awesome. But yeah, work hard. Let me just take a gander for you. Today's trades, honestly, they weren't much. I mean, we took a long. What did we do? We took a short here after this pullback, anticipating this carry through to be the downside. Stopped out there. And then we took another one here on the pull. Once this strength came back, we were claiming the 15-minute range. We took a long here at VWAP, and obviously we're wrong there. So not a lot to share today, but had my alert set and everything. That's sexy, Max. Good trading, bro. Bro's a menace, LOL. Man's a money maker. Man's a chart reader. A future predictor. It's fucking epic. Tomorrow, you're going to do the same thing, Max. You're going to predict it. You're just going to read it perfectly, but you're going to get to ride it all the way down. Change your life. Max payout for tomorrow for Max. Bounce 10x stronger. I agree. Let's go, Dangerous. The 40K payouts that we took out of these accounts just motivated me. It just motivated me to just get better, do it again. I mean, those trades were great. Like 40K, it's nothing. It's not nothing. But the amount of money that was even left on the table just from like overall poor executions, like my direction, the trade direction, like for example, Friday, this is our biggest loss. And we took multiple shorts up around these prices, okay? We took multiple shorts up around these prices, and still this was our biggest loss. When we could have just, so like we're trading well, but we're so much still to learn, so much to improve on, and I'm just motivated and excited knowing that we have the opportunity to just keep getting better, and that when we do get better, we're gonna hit it hard. We're gonna make some money, especially with the 10 accounts. Is gonna be sexy. It would be funny to see it bounce now to a new high a day. It would be wild. Just bottom tick to 30. It's a possibility. I mean, now the sell side's been swept, so. How long you been trading, Max? Great question from by Pat. Timothy, you're in these with your new XFAs, right? The ones that you reset. So you're up around these 15s. What are you targeting? What are you targeting, King? Around 2.5 years, I would say. Hell yeah, Max. That's fucking epic. He says. Scoozy, scoozy. Only profitable for 1 year. Only profitable for 1 year. My man is making more money than he's spending on NASDAQ. What a fucking G. He puts only for 1 year, though. At least a break of 27. At least a break of the 27s. I mean, yeah. She could keep getting heavy, too, realistically. There's no reason that this has to be a low a day. W's. Yeah, well, I was expecting it to be a bit earlier. Me too, bro. Me too, man. We all want to come in here and just be making money, but NASDAQ tests us. Really puts us through the blender before it ends up paying us back. But she does pay. You spend enough time with her, she'll pay you. Now it's my job. It's your full time, Max. You're only a trader. You don't make income from anything else. Excuse me. You guys all from US? Yes, sir. At least at me. I know we have a few people in here from outside the country, but me, I'm from the US, Maine. Yeah, full time. No shit, bro. Congrats. Question for you then, Max. How much did you have saved before you went for that? How much did you have saved up before you said, I know what? I'm going to commit to this? Wildflower from Tennessee. Hell yeah. Where the sun stays shining and the music stays country. I like that. Virginia, Pat. Hour could reject. Well, we hit the 27s. Well, I'm from the Netherlands. W's. That's fucking epic, Max. He's a football player. A football player. Wildflowers from Tennessee. Virginia. We got all around the world. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of all around the world. Atlanta. Dang, Elijah. He's in the Atlanta. Hell yeah. The 730s was it. Draco. Tim, did you still holding this or you get out the 77 there? Did you get filled or did you still holding? No trades for me feeding my 4-month-old showing her charts. Hell yeah, so just introducing her to the NASDAQ. Nothing crazy. You know what I mean? Just first date. It's just first interaction. Just, hey, this is the NASDAQ. She takes care of us. Nice to meet you. What was I going to say? Work. Hell yeah. There's a W, father. Keeping her aligned for success. She gonna get us out the mud. Still in it. Didn't break it like I wanted, sadly, but might have to get out. Didn't break it. Held. Now we're getting a retracement to the 60s right now. Yeah, Thomas. I mean, obviously that's not the reaction at the low that you want to see. Us getting back above the 60s pretty easy there with a good close. It's tricky. It's actually tricky. I kind of want to, I mean, I don't know. It's I don't know, King. Obviously, you got the move. It would hate to be one of these days where we just keep pissing, but I don't think we're going to overall, but I don't know. Props to all of us living in the US. Shit's expensive there, isn't it? All you living in the shit's expensive there, isn't it? It's kind of dangerous. That's why we trade degenerates, lol. That's hilarious. How much do you guys pay in taxes, like percentage-wise? It's kind of a tricky question, Max. It's definitely too much, like Tim said, but it's hard because it depends on what you make. But for the most part, it is just too much. Like for capital gains for trading, it's like 35%, almost 40% for trading. Here it's 50%. Ooh. Oh, my heart. Max, that's criminal. Depends on income, but 10-20%. If you earn above 50,000 euros, you get taxed at 50 fucking percent. What? Yeah, fuck that. Yeah, fuck that, Pat, for sure. I think taxes are different trading with props, though. It's a 1099 contract. I paid 34% last year. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's still like that, Sob. Yeah, see right there, Tim paid 34%. I'm pretty sure it's still roughly like that. 4K a month is bare minimum, and it's hard as fuck with trading. 4K a month is tough to do trading. Max, you make over 50K euros, LOL. Max is a full-time trader. Of course he's making over 50K euros. That's why you got to run that business. Work gets it. Work gets it. It's all about that side income. Start an S corp for trading. That's a good play too, Pat. Definitely an option. Pushing back towards these 60s. Are we going to get through this high? If not, we could keep continuing down towards the shorts. I have not only on the 9 to 10 split from Topstep, but also the 50 from the government. I get to keep like 40% if I'm lucky. I have not only like 90-10 split from Topstep. Bro, 50% from the government is a little bit sus. From what I understand, taxes from props, you still pay the same within whatever tax bracket you're already in. But like I said, it could be way off. Yeah, I mean, because it is a 1099, you are still. It's not like capital's short gains. Okay, it is short gains, short-term capital gains, but it's only within your tax bracket off of your specific income. No, you're right. Yeah, you are correct. It's based off of your specific bracket, but it is still, if you make a fuckload, it's still really heavy. Like basically, if you don't make money, you don't have to pay taxes, but above. When you do make money, it's short-term capital gains. Yeah, made that this month and need to move to Dubai. S corp for trading, move to Dubai. How about you get a trading house, Max, and we'll all get in there. Split rent for this trading facility in Dubai. I'm trying to be in that position where I gotta pay a shit ton of taxes. LOL. It is a bittersweet moment. It's like, hey, I have money, so they're trying to come for it, but stop coming for my money. Market finally did move, rejecting these 60s again. Hopefully, this can keep continuing to the downside for our shorts right now. It's a feel good, feel bad sitch, no doubt, Timothy. Like, hey, I have a lot of money. Now you want to come get it. Okay. Yeah, it sounds like a good problem to have. Get that munyon. Only reason I would have there is the 1% taxes. I would live there as the 1% taxes. Yeah, their taxing is pretty good. Our taxes in Boston are wasted on Bologna. Lost 3 funded TPT accounts today. No worries, Jaiwei. Keep your head up, King. We bounce back. That's just the name of the game. How do you guys feel about the XFA reset from Topstep? I think it's a little expensive, Max, but I also like the straight to funded, so it's decent pricing comparatively to a straight to funded account. And so if you're already a Topstep trader, you're only allowed 10 a month now, 10 combine or 10 XFAs a month. So to keep one of them going isn't bad. I think I like the XFA reset, but 500 is steep. It is steep. Stop. I agree. 750 for the 150 is a little bit more manageable, but 500 for the 50 is pretty steep. But again, it's pretty much a straight to funded. The hardest part is staring at the large amount of money set aside that's not just not yours. Every day you're seeing 6 figures that you know it's not yours. Yeah, it's rough. See y'all tomorrow. I have a Zoom meeting getting off in a few minutes early. Love you, Saucy. Take it easy, King Man. See you tomorrow, brother. Yeah, I would only reset the 150Ks. I agree, Max. The 50K reset is crazy for a $50 account. Yeah, it really is. For only 2K in drawdown, you don't. Yeah, it's expensive. But for the 750, for the 150, it makes sense. Yeah, I've ripped a few 150K resets already. Hey, but it's working for him. It's working for him. That's why I'm excited, y'all, to try out the straight to fundeds with Lucid and try. So I'm going to downsize the 50K accounts and then trade sync with Lucid. So we'll have 10 accounts. I mean, a $3,000 payout is not hard. And that's a $30,000 payout. So that's kind of the goal. We'll see. Maybe it's harder than I expect. And I'm like, yo, fuck these 10 accounts. But we'll see. You could send a 50K in 2 days, blow it, send another pass it, activate it, and still be under the 500. So I don't know. I agree, Saab. It's just financially doesn't make sense. I'm not sure how they calculated to that price, but yeah, I ripped it. Take it slow, bro. That stuff gets expensive real quick. Chad talking. What do you mean? What do you mean, Adam? They get expensive real quick, Max, for sure. But when you're making money, they make money. Oh, I know that, Max. I'm full-time, too. Timothy's full-time trader. So he knows. Trading is not cheap. Damn, I turned a good day into a bad day. Up 340 to daily loss, 750. All good. GPT, no worries, King. You know how it is. I like the mindset there, bro. Just another day in the office for us. You get it? A minimum payout across multiple accounts is the play. It is the play, Elijah. I agree, brother. Yes, scaling up to like a fatter payout per account is sexy and like good for like the, you know, the engagement and all that. But if I want to make more money, it's getting more accounts. If you want to make more money, start scaling trading. It's not necessarily getting bigger trades and bigger moves. It's getting more accounts and then start hitting the same size. Like I could even hit a 4K payout out of these 40 and hit a 40K payout. You know what I mean? So gotta go, boys. Y'all have a good one. See y'all tomorrow. Take it easy, TLR. We are pretty much right behind you. Let's go, bro. It's Timothy. Yes, sir. He's been full time. I mean, you are a Chad and you are talking that shit, homie. I'm not a Chad. I ain't no Chad. No Chads here. We're all the boys. Peace, buddy. Take it easy, Gold. Hey, look at the 730 bouncing, LOL. Yeah, it is. Timothy, I need to know, did you get out of this trade yet? I need to know before I leave stream. Did you get out of this trade yet? Before this thing just keeps deciding to be a bully ball. Holding these 720s to a tick. Nah, bet. Well then, King, I hope she keeps ripping down for you. It feels bad. It does feel a little bit bad there. It does feel a little bit bad there. Hope she fucking doesn't keep finding some support. Gotta go, guys. Pat, you're the man. Trying to catch your direction, not working. I agree, Timothy. You were up fat, though. Hopefully she holds. Pat, worry behind you, though, King. I appreciate every single person here hanging out today. Y'all mean the most. For real, the vibes have been great. Even after blowing the accounts, y'all just left nothing but straight high energy and good vibes. So you means the most. See y'all tomorrow. Stay disciplined and hit the gym, guys. Hell yeah, Pat. Hit that gym. Hope you have a good session, bro. I love you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. You guys are fucking amazing. Let's keep focused. Tomorrow, the market's going to be giving. CPI, Wednesday, also going to be, Thursday, also going to be giving. So keep the mindset as healthy as we can, and we ride. Hell yeah, work. Have a great day, Tyler. Tomorrow, you turn it up, brother. I like that work. Let's go. Sob, you too. Take it easy, Pat, Tim, everybody, Max, TLR. You guys are the best, GPT. I fucking love you guys. We'll ride tomorrow, and tomorrow feels different. Tomorrow we make some motherfucking money. Hey, Caesar, you're the king too, bro. All right, take it easy, y'all. Peace.